Well, temperatures this afternoon warmed into the mid to lower 20s for those high temperatures today. We'll have one more cold day in that extended 7-day forecast as we had some cloud cover this afternoon, but we had some peaks of sunshine today as well. The good news is those quiet conditions will continue not only tonight, but through the next 7 to 10 days. So your weather headlines, what are we tracking here? We're looking at one more cold day that comes up on your Wednesday. Then awesome temperatures take over throughout the rest of the work week and through your weekend. We could be talking about above freezing type temperatures. So highs potentially making it all the way up to 35, 37 degrees by next week. So with all the warm temperatures, what's happening to that snow depth? Well, it will melt. As of now in the Midwest, really just one portion through central, eastern Iowa, and the northern portion of Illinois. The only really places that doesn't have a snowpack. But as we head through your weekend with those warmer temperatures above normal, by the time we head towards Christmas Eve on Tuesday, all of a sudden notice Iowa almost completely melting that snowfall by about Christmas Eve. That means Mason City, Charles City, Decorah, probably not looking at that white Christmas because our chances of seeing snowfall by the 25th, not very likely at all. Only about a 5% chance. So your white Christmas tracker, we're 7 days, not including tonight, 7 days starting tomorrow away from Christmas. And I don't necessarily think we'll see any type of precipitation really before Christmas Day. We might have a chance for some showers, but for the most part, the only type of white Christmas that we'll see would be the snowfall that is still left on the ground if most of it doesn't melt. Outside currently, we still have that snowpack with temperatures well below freezing. As that's looking at our Loosen Out Alive camera, those temperatures at 20 degrees here in Rochester. Winds still a little breezy at about 13 miles per hour. That drops our feel like temperatures all the way down to about 7 degrees currently here in Rochester. Feel like temperatures tomorrow be about 10 below because overnight lows will start to drop down. So I think for the most part, temperatures will look a lot like this tonight with the overcast skies that we have currently. But as we slowly clear those skies out, notice Mankato out near Redwood Falls as well, slowly clearing those skies. That will help drop our temperatures down here overnight tonight. So all that clear sky near the Dakotas and northern Minnesota, that will creep into our area and help drop our temperatures down. Notice most of the United States pretty quiet, especially off to the west of the Mississippi River. As we continue overnight tonight, notice that cloud cover continues to move to the south and to the southeast, eventually dropping our temperatures. By midnight, we're down into the lower single digits, and I think we fall below zero for overnight lows tonight. Futurecast has us right about 1 degrees early tomorrow morning. I think we're more or less about 3 to 5 degrees below zero by about 5, 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. High temperatures tomorrow, well, they stay in the single digits for some areas, but I think we're into the mid-teens here in Rochester for those highs. And then as we head towards Thursday evening, notice all of a sudden these temperatures all the way up into the lower 30s. So we will get warm quick as we head towards Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and even into next week as well for Christmas. As those overnight lows tonight, anywhere from about 5 to potentially 9 to 8 degrees below zero tonight in southeastern Minnesota, northeastern Iowa. I think temperatures more or less around 0 degrees, mainly because there's just not as much snowfall to radiate that heat as much in northeastern Iowa. Your town forecast for tomorrow, mid-teens for highs. Some of us getting close to that 20-degree mark. Albert Lea, Austin, potentially reaching 20 degrees. As we look at northeastern Iowa, a little warmer, I think, a little bit more sunshine. Temperatures, Mason City, near Osage, Charles City, more or less about 20 to 23 degrees for those highs. That extended 7-day forecast, 31 degrees for the high then on Thursday. So we have almost a 15-degree jump from Wednesday to Thursday. And then we keep the 30s rolling Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. And if you can do math quickly, that is...
Oh man, Nick.
6 straight days.
I perked up at just the wrong moment.
Yes, 6 straight days of 30-degree weather. So very comfortable conditions as we head towards the holiday next week.
Trip above freezing. Something new for a change.
Yeah,
huh?
it'll be nice.
All right. Here's a look at what's ahead tonight on KGTC. We'll be right back.